Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for singles for the month of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Leo, your current energies regarding love and relationship. Let's see what we have. Your current energies regarding love and relationship. We have the Six of Swords, the Death card, and the Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Chariot card. Okay, so I'm getting flashes. Okay, the underlying energy is the Chariot. You are in a strong determination kind of energy that if you're going to get love, you're fine. If you're going to get somebody by your side in your life, you're fine. If not, you are not going to stop your life for anything or anyone in this lifetime ever, because you have gone through so much in this department of your life. You are no longer interested in stopping your life or putting your life on hold for anything or anyone, because Six of Swords, the Death card, and Ace of Swords is here. You are done with this game of continuously making peace with whatever is happening in your in love and relationship area again and again and again. Now you just want to be mentally very clear, mentally very sharp, and you just want to operate from the energies of practicality, operate from the energies of logic over your heart. You are continuously living by the rule that I made my mistakes, I did a few wrong things. I allow people to do few wrong things with me. Now I'm done with those kind of energies. Now I am going to make sure that whosoever is going to be in my life next, they are going to check all the boxes, and I'm not going to get all emotional about it. If they are going to be good with me, we are good. If not, I am not going to stop for anything or anyone. Stop my life. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Leo. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Swords, the Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Wands. The underlying energy is Seven of Wands. You are not going to open up to anything or anyone that much easily. Even if you are going to connect with somebody, even if you are going to talk to somebody, you are going to be always in the defensive mode, that if they are going to say something or do something wrong, I'm going to show them who I am. I'm not going to entertain crap. I'm not going to entertain bullshit in my life at all. That is going to be your underlying energy while connecting with new people. But slowly but surely, when you are going to come out of your like cave, when you are going to feel like, okay, you should start talking to people, there are very good chances of you communicating with somebody, like having back and forth communication, lots of messages. There's going to be a flow of communication between you and a new person. Once you're going to start opening up slowly but surely to the idea of connecting with someone, you are going to feel and realize that you can actually talk to somebody. You can actually have this heart to heart communication with somebody. You can actually open up to somebody. I do see this is just a communication phase. This is just a talking phase where you're enjoying the connection, you're enjoying the conversations, that they are going to be quite deep, quite meaningful for most of you. You are going to connect with this person while traveling or while you're planning a travel. There is something related to traveling, there is something related to fast and forward movement that is going to make you connect with this person. So you are going to start opening up to this person slowly but surely. It's going to take you some time to start communicating, but once you're going to start it, it's going to be like a flow of communication between two people and a good friendship developing. Now from that friendship level, this situation can go somewhere. Let's see for this new person, new connection from the oracle. We have the true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. This person can be the one for you. Things are not going to progress like today you are talking and tomorrow you are falling in love with each other, and the next day you're getting married. It's going to take time, but this situation, this bond has the potential to become something really meaningful in the coming future, Leo, if you are going to take care of it properly and honestly, and if you're going to take it slow. Let's move on to past person, past energy. That simply means that the person, the energy that you already know. What are your energies for that person, that connection? Before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 Osho meditation festival online that's happening from 1st till the 7th of August 2026 from 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. We are going to focus on removing the blockages from our chakra, cleansing and healing our 7 chakras. That is going to help you to actually operate better in every area of your life, because Google when your 7 chakras are blocked, what are the issues that you face in your lives, right? So we are going to be focusing on healing and cleansing the 7 chakras, removing the blockages as much as we can in the 7 days. And it's going to be Osho 7 chakra meditation. Osho's meditations based on 7 chakra healing. And the fees is 3,500 for Indians, and for others it's 200 USD. It's very affordable. I don't think so it's less than that. This is actually a good idea, but anyways, you should be 16 plus, and you should have the confidence to keep the cameras on during the workshop so that I can connect with you guys. Read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply, because this is a non-refundable thing, and the link is in the description box for the same. Go check out there. My throat is hurting like crazy, so I'm not able to talk loudly or with enthusiasm or like that, but I'm very excited, trust me, for this one. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay, let's see for this known person or past person, past energy. We have the Queen of Cups and the Six of Wands and the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. The underlying energies, there's collaboration, there's partnership, there's a sense of practicality, groundedness, there's a sense of respecting each other, respecting the connection, respecting the bond. This might be somebody from your workspace, or you work with this person at some point of time, or you're planning to do some kind of business thing together, but this there is a sense of respect and there is a sense of groundedness between you and this person from your past. And there's love here, there is this energy of wanting to make things work out, but there are things in the situation that are up in the air. This is somebody that you are talking to. This is not a no contact person. This is not somebody that you are not talking to. This is somebody who is around you, like they're around your energies. Maybe you are not talking regularly, but you guys are in touch, you guys are in communication. So there are feelings in the situation, there is this energy of wanting to make things work out, but then the thoughts are blocking the emotions, and the situation is quite up in the air. One of you is not able to decide whether to proceed further or let it go, and that is why this situation is quite difficult to deal with. That is why things are not moving forward. Let's see the message from the oracles for this past situation. We have the trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. If both of you like each other, both of you feel like moving forward with each other, but it's just because of the overthinking you guys are not able to move forward. You guys have to trust each other, trust the process, trust this connection, and you guys have to have faith that everything is going to be fine. So then only things can move forward with this past person, past energy. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month, for this situation, Leo. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. So your underlying energy is of pissed off and angry, and this energy of I know it sucks, I know love is not good for me, I know love is not meant for me, I know even if I'm going to be with somebody, they will not be able to be with me, so what's the use of even thinking about it, so what's the use of even going in that direction. You have to change that belief of yours. You have to change that conditioning of yours. You have to reprogram your mind to understand that whatever you're thinking about love is not the ultimate truth. You have created that truth for yourself, right? Just waiting and watching and hoping for somebody to come at your door with flowers and with chocolates and everything is not going to work out for you, Leo. Stop waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen, and then it become, with each passing day it's becoming more and more difficult for you to connect with people, connect with the new people, new energies, or connect with people on that level. Why? Because you are waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen. That's not going to happen. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to allow people to enter in your space. You have to connect with people from your side also. If you are going to sit on your ass and do nothing, and you are going to feel burdensome and heavy all the time regarding this department of your life, nothing is going to shift, nothing is going to change. You have to work for this to work out for you. Hmm? Let's see the final message for you guys as the final guidance. We have this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Yes, there are very good chances that you are going to find the one for you within this month only. But again, if you are not going to allow it to happen, if you are not going to open up, if you are going to continuously take it like a struggle, nothing is going to go well. Everything is going to fall apart again and again and again until you are going to learn how to proceed further, with positivity, with faith. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.